Today we're going to be making my mom's famous cornbread.
And hi guys! Today we are making my mom's famous cornbread.
First, we're going to start with all the dry ingredients.
Yeah.
First, we're going to start with...
Yeah. Baking powder.
No. Cornmeal.
Oh.
Then, we're going to do...
Flour.
Yes, flour. Then what's next? Sugar.
Oh, sugar.
Now we have all our dry ingredients. We only need one more. What is this?
Baking soda. Flour.
Yes, baking powder. Whoa. Alright.
Now let's add the eggs.
Let's add the eggs?
Yeah.
We need 2 eggs.
Yes.
Alright. You crack one. Hey guys, Liana is going to crack 2 eggs. Here's one.
Oh.
There's 2. And we have to make sure we don't get the shells in. Then we mix.
The dry
Liana's just stirring up the dry ingredients. How are you doing, Liana?
Good. Okay, it's done.
It's done? That looks good, Liana. Hey guys, now we have melted butter and melted egg that need to go with the dry ingredients.
It's actually melted butter and milk together.
Melted butter and milk?
Yeah. And then you have 2 eggs that you mixed up with. So now we need to add those to the dry ingredients.
Alright, Liana, you want to add the eggs?
Yeah.
Okay, let's add the eggs first.
Ew.
2 eggs added into the dry ingredients.
Ew.
Ew.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna add
Alright, now we have to start mixing.
I see some bubbles.
You see some bubbles in it.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Floating out.
Okay guys, now it's starting to look a bit more like
Bubbly.
cornbread. Oh, now we added the butter and milk. What do you think, Liana?
It's good.
It looks good?
Yeah. And I can eat it.
You can eat it.
Yum, 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 yum. I like it. So colorful.
Now we're going to add milk.
more milk.
More milk.
Yeah.
And then I can do a rest.
You gonna do the rest for me?
Yeah.
Alright. So
Because those ones are too small for you.
really, look at that.
Yummy. Yummy.
Soon we're going to pour this into the pan.
Yeah, the rest. Add the rest milk, guys.
And then now we have to turn on the oven. So now it's preheating. Now I'm going to have to butter the pan, and I'll show you guys that. I just finished buttering the pan so the cornbread doesn't stick. Okay guys, it's all done. Look at it now, and we're about to put it in so it can get baked, and then we can eat it.
Yeah.
Good job, Liana.
Thank you.
Whoa, now it's going into the pan.
It looks so yummy.
It looks yummy.
Yeah, but we can't eat it yet.
No, we have to put it in the oven, and then after a while we're gonna eat it.
Yeah. That looks so funny. That is funny.
It's funny.
Yeah. You need to put this in the oven, guys.
It's ready to go in the oven. Are you excited to taste it?
Yeah.
So it's in the pan, it won't stick. Alright guys, I'm ready to put the cornbread in the oven. Already, it's not preheating anymore. There you go.
What are you eating, Anna?
Cornbread.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's delicious, right? Yummy in your tummy. There, Liana's eating her cornbread.